What's up guys, it's your girl Ashley aka Pretty Hippie, and I'm back with another video. So this video is going to be very simple, very quick, very straight to the point, guys. A lot of you guys have been asking me to record this video because of a picture I posted on Instagram, which is my thumbnail, but I'll leave it on the screen somewhere so you guys can see it. And you guys want to know, how did you tie that head wrap? Well, guess what guys, you're in luck because I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna walk you through it. It's very easy, very simple. Like I said, this is gonna be a very quick video, so yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna be kind of looking in this mirror right here, so if I get like a little, if I'm looking here, just know that I'm trying to pay attention to what I'm doing and like avoid the ring light, if that makes sense. I don't know, whatever. We're gonna hop right into this, guys. So I'm gonna walk you through it. The first thing I do is I take my hair and I bring it all to the front, like this. And I use one of these little scrunchy things. Now I try to use one that's loose, like, you know how they kind of break, because I don't like when my hair is really tight. So I try to find the loosest one, the one that's been worn the most. And I just put my hair up in a ponytail, all the way at the front like this. Now some of them are gonna fall, but that's okay. So now you see I have my hair kind of just in a ponytail at the top. And you can just kind of tuck those locks in that fall. The scarf is gonna keep those locks up, so that really doesn't even matter. All right, so now I'm gonna take my scarf, and this is the same scarf that I have in the picture. And I got this scarf from Dove Love Hand Designs. So I'll leave the link in the description box to where you can find these head wraps. Guys, I'm absolutely in love with the head wraps. Like, the head wrap has like a long side, like this, and then it has like short sides. So I use like the shorter length to put at the base of my neck so that this part could be wrapped and it could be as big as possible, because I like my wraps to be like really big. So I just kind of take it and fold it a little bit and just place it on my head like this. So now I'm going to take the two sides that I have and kind of twist them together up under so that it'll be nice and tight. And then I'm just going to kind of twist, but not too much, because like I said, I like my wraps to be big. So I'm just going to kind of wrap it around like so. And I haven't done this in a while. I feel like I'm a little rusty, but we'll see. So I just wrap it and wrap it, and then I tuck the rest under. And then I kind of just fluff it out and kind of shape it to how I want it to be on my head. I feel like my locks have grown since I've done this. It's kind of cool. But yeah, that's pretty much how I do my head wraps. Like, how cute is that? All right, so what you want to do after you have your head wrap on, you can take your little baby hairs and, you know, lay it down. I'm not gonna do all that today, because like I'm literally at home doing nothing, and I'm not gonna just put edge control on for no reason. I gotta be going out, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, so that's the wrap, guys. That's how I do it. I think it's real cute. Let's see, I'm looking in the mirror now to make sure it's right. Yep. So yeah, that is it, guys. And if you want me to do it one more time, I will. Okay, let's do it one more time. simple, very straight to the point. It's just a head wrap tutorial. But anyway, guys, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you like my videos, why not subscribe to my channel? And as always, world peace. Bye, guys.